Accidentally deleted WhatsApp chats on your iPhone? Don't worry, this video will show you how to recover deleted WhatsApp messages in just a few simple steps. Part 1. Can you recover deleted WhatsApp messages on iPhone? Deleted WhatsApp messages on iPhone? Restore from iCloud 7-day auto backups. Ask sender. Or use Mobikin Doctor for iOS via iTunes. Let's begin. Part 2. Retrieve deleted messages from WhatsApp on iPhone without backup. Open the chat and tap on the contact name. Scroll down and tap on Export Chat. Choose whether to send without media or include media. This will create an email with the entire chat history attached as a zip file. Part 3. Recover deleted WhatsApp messages from iPhone with backup. 3.1 Get back deleted WhatsApp messages from local backup. On iPhone, check WhatsApp settings chat backup. If backup is right, reinstall WhatsApp. Open, enter number. Tap, restore chat history. 3.2 Restore WhatsApp backup to iPhone from iCloud. On your iPhone, navigate to Settings, General Reset, erase all contents and settings. Tap on Erase Now and confirm the operation with your password. Set up your iPhone. When you see the Apps and Data screen, just choose Restore from iCloud Backup. Sign into your iCloud account you used to back up your iPhone, and the backup file that contains the deleted WhatsApp messages will be restored to your iPhone. 3.3 Restore WhatsApp messages on iPhone via iTunes. Open iTunes on PC or Mac and connect your iPhone via USB. Click the device icon. Select Restore Backup. Choose the backup with your WhatsApp messages and click Restore. 3.4 Retrieve deleted WhatsApp messages with Doctor for iOS. Mobikin Doctor for iOS is one of the best iPhone WhatsApp messages recovery programs, which can retrieve all the deleted WhatsApp conversations and messages completely and export them to your computer in friendly and readable documents. Step 1. Launch the Doctor for iOS program and select Recover from iTunes Backup File. When all the iTunes backup files detected by the program, you can choose the one you need and click Start Scan. Step 2. In the next window, you can see all the file types that you can recover from the backup file. Here, you should tick off WhatsApp and WhatsApp attachments. Then click the Start Scan button again. Step 3. After the scan, you can preview the detailed contents on the right panel. Mark those WhatsApp messages you want to restore and click Recover to Computer to save them on your computer.